In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos for YouTube with Kling AI step by step. First, decide what type of YouTube video you want to create. You can make cinematic stories, educational visuals, product videos, shorts, entertainment content, or other types of AI-assisted videos. Before opening Kling AI, plan your video idea and break it into smaller scenes. This makes the generation process easier and gives you more control over the final result. Now open Kling AI and start creating your first scene. Choose text to video if you want to generate a scene from a written prompt, or use image to video if you already have a suitable reference image. When writing your prompt, clearly describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. For example, you could create a cinematic travel scene showing a traveler walking through a beautiful mountain village at sunrise, with natural movement, warm lighting, atmospheric fog, and a smooth tracking camera. Generate the scene and preview the result. Check the character, movement, background, and camera motion. If something looks wrong, refine the prompt and generate another version. Try to fix one problem at a time rather than changing the entire prompt. For longer YouTube videos, create separate clips for each part of your story. You can then combine the clips in a video editor and arrange them in the correct sequence. After generating your visuals, add your voiceover, background music, sound effects, captions, transitions, and other editing elements. For YouTube Shorts, keep your scenes short and visually engaging. For longer videos, focus on creating a clear story or useful information that keeps the viewer interested. You should also keep your visual style consistent throughout the video. If the same character appears in multiple scenes, reuse the important character details and reference images when appropriate.